Hi, welcome to the how-to video series of Projectrak for Jira. This video will show how the filters and the autocomplete features will help you make basic, advanced, and overall more dynamic searches for projects in Jira. It all starts from the Project Navigator, which is the central spine of Projectrak, where you can visualize your project portfolio. Click on the Projectrak drop-down menu. There, you'll find different ways to visualize your Jira projects: the List view and the Releases view. Also, this menu allows going back to the last search performed in Projectrak by clicking over the Current Search option. Let's go to the List view option. From the List view, it is very simple to perform basic searches. For that, choose from different criteria such as 1. The key, which allows filtering by project ID. 2. By the lead, which will filter by the project lead. 3. And to filter by the criteria defined on each project property previously created and customized with Projectrak. Remember, the icon will help you identify the type of project field you're looking at, and to differentiate the ones native from Jira, which are identified with a lock within its icon. Let's apply the project property status as a filter, and the value on track to check which projects comply with this status. This search is available from the List view and from the Releases view, which will show the release dates of the projects of this search. Now, let's see how the advanced searches work. On our current search, let's click over the Advanced Search button. This will expand the search bar and show the current search in PQL, an acronym for Project Query Language, which Grammar will assist you for specific project searches. Let's look for the projects where the project lead is the current user, which is the person looking for the projects at that moment. It's also possible to choose different users, differentiate by project typology, and keep adding more criteria on and on. As indicated, there are moments depending on the advanced query where there won't be turning back to the basic search. If this search is recurrent, Projectrak allows to save filters. For this, 1. Click on the upper right side of the window in the diskette icon. 2. Name the filter, and that would be it. Now, let's explore the My Filters menu, located in the superior bar of Projectrak. From there, it is possible to search for the different saved filters, check on which view each filter has been saved, if it has been in the List view or the Releases view. And to manage all the filters, let's go there. On the Projectrak Filters section are available all the filters previously saved, and it's achievable to edit the name of the filters, see to which view does the filter belong, watch details such as the correspondent PQL search, its owner, when the last time the project had been worked on, and check if the filter is public or not. By making it public, this filter can be shared with any Jira user just by sharing the link. With Projectrak, you have control over all of your project information in Jira. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button and follow us on our social media channels.